Hi dear student, it's me SHAHBAZ HUSSAIN, and in this lecture I would like to explain about how to install Windows 7. This is a step-by-step process. There are 15 steps. By using these steps you will be able to install the Windows 7 from the DVD. To install Windows 7 you need the following steps. In order to install your copy of Windows 7 operating system, please make sure that you have the following items. Number 1 is Windows 7 installation disk, and number 2 is drive, CD or DVD drive. Please make sure that back up all of your important data before proceeding with this installation, because after installation your previous data in that drive will be washed. And now there are following steps to install the Windows. Number 1, step 1 is insert the Windows 7 operating system disk into DVD drive and then restart your computer. Whenever you restart your computer, this is the next step. Step 2, you will see the prompt that press any key to continue. It's mean you are going to the Windows installation setup or the process. Then press any key. After when you press any key, you will be seeing the following windows as shown in the figure. After pressing any key, then the next window will be appear as shown in the figure. You have to select the language. The default language for this window installation is English. You have to select English language. Language option by default English will be set along with time and currency format and keyboard or input method. After selecting language, the next window will appear as shown in the figure is install now. Click on install now button. The window process will start. Now this is next step. This is next process, end user license agreement, E.U.L.A. A checkbox will appear. You have to check this box. The checkbox is known as I accept the license term. Click on this and check this box and click on the next. Next is select the type of installation. There are two options appear on the window. One is upgrade and other is custom. Now I would like to explain about these 2 points. Upgrade means if you have already installed Windows 7 and there are some problems in your Windows, you can upgrade this window, and this is a very short term process. And second is custom. When you click on custom, there are lot of options will appear and you have to check. You have to click on the next options. Select your required. When you click on the custom, the next option will appear. In these steps you can select your partition, delete your partition and make your partition. Where do you want to install the window? Make your partition is highlighted, means you have to select your selected partition where you want to install the window. Delete the partition by clicking on the drive option, advanced option on the button and highlight the corner of the field. Make sure that the partition is highlighted and click on the delete. If drive advanced option is grayed out, then the partition will not have to be deleted. Next. Now this is the same process. Select the disk where you want to install. Disk 0 unallocated space should be only listing at the point. If it is, press next. If not, please proceed to delete any additional partition that may be listed. This is also the disk selection process. Now from this process, this is the proper start of the window installing. Installing window will appear. It will take 10 minutes, after which system will reboot. Whenever your system reboot, please don't press any key. You have to not to press any key. The next screen will show as the installing Windows, and window will be in starting mode. This is Windows starting setup. In this setup, computer will ask username and username or computer name and also password. Now you have to put your username. Setup is starting Windows will appear on the screen. Then you will be asked to create username and computer. In next step, you have to type password. If you want to protect your computer, you will put your password, retype password and password hint if you want to put password hint, and click on next. After setting your password, the next window will be appear. There are 3 points. One is user recommended setting, and set next is install important updates only, and other is ask me later. These 3 points are totally different points. The first, user recommended setting, you have to put your setting according to the Windows installation, and in the second, install important update means you are installing only your required updates, and in the last, ask me later, it means you are not interested about all above 2 points. The next step is set clock. In the set clock, there are 3 points. First, you will set the local time zone. Now I would like to explain what is a time zone. In time zone, you have to set your time where are you located. Like I am living in Pakistan, the time zone for Pakistan is +5. This is for Islamabad and Karachi. And after this, after selecting time zone, you have to set the date, current date and set time. Next step is for your network. Select your computer current location. If you are using the home network or workstation or the public network, these are 3 options. You have to select any one of these options. Enable window to apply the correct network setting. Click on the appropriate location of your computer to enable Windows 7 to apply the correct network setting. This is your final step. You have successfully installed your window, and your window will be appear as shown in the figure. And here now you can use your window easily.